Welcome to this Canva training video. In this video, we will show you how to apply the skills that you've learned using Canva's free version. Let's begin by going through the various templates. We can either search for a template or go in through a specific marker on your upper toolbar. For this example, we're going to look at a LinkedIn banner. This way, someone can make a custom banner to put as a display over the LinkedIn profile. We have many options to choose from, such as LinkedIn, banners, posts, and profile pictures. Let's select a nice modern clean version with a computer and coffee. This would be great for a consultant or someone who works with various portfolios. You can see here it's a black and minimalist banner, but we also have another one which is a free version. It doesn't have the crown, but you can share it, add it as a favorite, or continue to edit it. Selecting Continued Edit will take you to this free version. From there, you have many choices on your left toolbar where you can use elements, other templates, you can add in line shapes or graphics, or choose other. You can also upload your custom photos or graphics from your computer. You can see a doc of a video there. Text, which I'll show you another way to edit that. You can draw, you can bring up other projects, or by selecting more, you can access a deep reservoir of other tools, posting outlets, and resources. When you click on certain things, such as a detachable picture, text, or a graphic, simply clicking on it allows you to edit. You can change the font, change the orientation, change the size. You can also add layers or delete them. Unless you put a specific graphic over a background will move as one piece. So, how do we share and export our work? It's quite easy. To upload, click a video or an external item. You would go to the upload. For example, here's a video we just watched. I'm going to upload it and do some editing. From there, I can edit the size, crop, cut, or even work with audio. You're going to see that it's playing back. It will do this automatically unless you set it not to. I can make it to where I want it to be set as a GIF or a short graphic video, as you've seen earlier in this training, in which it will automatically play. I can also animate certain things, overlay graphics on top of it, and affect how the playback happens. I can use this from the toolbar or from the upper toolbar within the editing tool. When finished, I can then go to share. I can share in the upper right hand corner by clicking on the share option, and this will provide me the opportunity to download, share with my team, or do other external sharing and exporting. One thing about Canva that is really nice is that you'll also have a pop-up whenever you hover over everything. So when in doubt, from here, you can hover and find out what tools you have at your disposal. You can also share with your team by simply typing in a team member or an email address. When ready to download, you can select what format you want to download and what type of parameters you want on the quality and coloring. You'll have various methods or modes that you'll be able to download from here, including a link or as an attachment. You can use the link to reference or refer friends and earn credits toward paid features. This is all for today's Canva training video. I do hope this has been helpful and that you can apply these skills that you've learned for your business, personal use, or pure enjoyment. Thank you for watching.